ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Today we're making a dinner. A delicious dinner. A nutritious dinner. I don't know. But it's going to be good. I do know that. We are making stuffed Italian meatball shells. That deliciousness right there with that marinara sauce on top, that melted cheese, that loaded stuffed shell. Doesn't that just look absolutely decadent? Let's show you how to make it. We'll get right into it. So, first off, we want to get a big old pot and we want to fill it with water. So, I got some jumbo shells. I'm going to just put them in my water that is going to be boiling. So now what we're going to do, we're going to get our blue bowl, pop. We got some sweet Italian sausage, and we also got some hamburger meat, 80-20. Stuff's expensive. Drop your hamburger meat in. And drop your sausage in. What we're going to simply do is just combine the ingredients. So your hamburger and your sausage. Okay. Some of my seasonings. I love seasoning. Some salt. I love salt. Some pepper. Some onion powder. I love onion powder. And some all-purpose seasoning. And then I got some Italian seasoning. Dump that right on in too. And we're just going to start mixing that meat and hamburger on in together. Making a meatball. All right. Once your noodles are done, we'll wrap everything up because it's going to be fast, easy dinner, y'all. Simple. Simple. That's what we're here for. All right. Our noodles are done. So we're going to drain them, strain them. All right. Put them in some cold water. And may have spilled some water on the floor. Preheat your oven to 350. Spray a little bit down on the pan. Some tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, whatever you want to call it. Put a little bit down, not too much, a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of this. Fill the inside of that shell. So here we have the final product, and I'm going to just cover them in the marinara, spaghetti sauce, whatever you want to call it. Grab some mozzarella cheese that I already have shredded, and we're just going to sprinkle on top. Now my oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm just going to put this whole dish in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. So keep an eye on it, okay? All right, y'all. It's done. Look at that. This is absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Just take a look at that right there. That's just chef's kiss. Dig into this. Look at that. So with this, those meatballs, they are perfectly cooked. Give it a shot. It's hot though. Y'all, this with some garlic bread. 10 out of 10. So y'all, if you will, do me a huge favor. I would greatly appreciate it. If you will, like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. It's free. And I do appreciate you. I love you. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.